Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. How fast does Bimzelx work? bimekizumab, starts working to improve psoriasis symptoms for most people within the first 4 weeks of treatment. However, it can take longer before you notice the full effects of this medication. Most people who take Bimzelx achieve completely clear or almost clear skin by 16 weeks of treatment. What is Bimzelx used for? bimekizumab, is a monoclonal antibody that may be used to treat moderate to severe plaque psoriasis in adults. Plaque psoriasis is a skin condition that causes itchy, dry, raised patches on the skin. It is not known how safe or effective it is in children or females who are pregnant or nursing. How often is Bimzelx given? Bimzelx is available as prefilled syringes and autoinjectors. It's given as 2 injections under the skin at weeks 0, 4, 8, 12, and 16, and then every 4 to 8 weeks. Your first injection should be given under the supervision of a healthcare professional, and you should receive training on proper injection technique. If you forget to take your dose of Bimzelx, inject your dose as soon as you remember. Then, take the next dose at the scheduled time. Where can you inject Bimzelx? It is recommended to inject Bimzelx under the skin on your stomach, 2 inches away from your belly button, or your thigh. If you are having Bimzelx injected by a healthcare professional or caregiver, they may also inject it into the back of your upper arm. Avoid injecting Bimzelx into areas that are bruised, red, tender, hard, or affected by psoriasis. Also, rotate the injection sites to allow the skin to heal. How does Bimzelx work? Bimzelx attaches to interleukin 17A, IL-17A, interleukin 17F, IL-17F, and interleukin 17AF, which are all signaling proteins involved in psoriasis. It prevents these proteins from attaching to their receptors and promoting the release of inflammatory substances in the body. This helps reduce symptoms of psoriasis such as redness, itching, and pain. Related questions: how does TrialPs work to treat plaque and psoriatic arthritis? How does Ilumya work to treat psoriasis? Where should you not use triamcinolone acetonide cream? How long does Bimzelx take to work? About 1 out of 2 patients will have almost complete skin clearance after 4 weeks of treatment. Even more patients will have their psoriasis symptoms reduced by 75% at this time. This was demonstrated in clinical studies, TrialPs 1 and TrialPs 2. Studies have shown that patients who take Bimzelx have a high chance of achieving 60% to 85% of clearance of psoriasis after taking it for 10 to 16 weeks. At 16 weeks, 85 to 91% of patients taking Bimzelx had at least a 90% reduction in psoriasis symptoms from when they started treatment. What's more, 59 to 68% of patients had completely clear skin after 16 weeks of treatment. Do I need to keep Bimzelx in the refrigerator? Yes. Keep Bimzelx in the refrigerator in its original carton to protect it from light. Do not freeze it because this could damage the medication. If you need to take Bimzelx out of the refrigerator, you can store it in the original carton for up to 30 days. After this time, it must be thrown away. Once you have stored the medication at room temperature, do not place it back in the refrigerator. This is not all the information you need to know about bimekizumab, for safe and effective use and does not take the place of your doctor's directions. Review their full product information and discuss this information and any questions you have with your doctor or other healthcare provider, RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.